one. That was a very reorienting perspective, right? Because that's not going to be everyone's situation. But what that starts to do is bring us back to the idea that, like, we're talking about humans. How do we maintain and increase a sexual culture? Because one of the things, and I'd love to hear from you all, what do you hear coming in your clinical practices around this issue? I hear couples coming in saying, you know, we're not having enough sex as much as I want, but even outside of that, I just don't feel like there's a lot of sexuality or a lot of desire. Go on there for fun, go on there to flirt, but don't go on there. Here's my favorite line. Do I say this in there? Yeah. If you're lonely, don't log on. If you're feeling bad about your body or dating, don't log on. If you're feeling good, solid, and confident, log on.